So hi lovelies, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jody. It's my pleasure to be here. Okay. I'm just playing, but yeah, my name is Jody. For those of you who might not know, because I think we get new subscribers every day, at least one person per day, I believe, based on what I'm seeing on the channel. So yes, my name is Jody. Of course, for my regular people, they already know what my name is and stuff like that. I was just playing around, but yeah, my name is Jody. Welcome back to the channel. um yes guys, I know everybody's probably looking at my hair like, what? Yes, I did a big chop again, even though I said that I was gonna grow my hair back. But your girl woke up one day and was just like, I'm gonna do this again. I don't know, I love short hair, but and it's easier to maintain. I don't know, I love short hair, I love long hair. It just depends on how I'm feeling, to be honest. People think that I look better with short hair, but I love long hair. But it's hot, I wanted something that is easy to maintain and stuff like that. Even though personally I don't know how to maintain short hair, my hair be messy within 2 to 3 days. But hey, your girl is trying. If my energy is low, that's because I'm not feeling well. At this point, I don't know if it's the flu, I don't know if it's my sinus, I don't know what it is, but like my throat is really sore and I just feel drained. I don't know. And I was fine until like 2 days ago, and I this feeling just came over me like out of nowhere. I don't know, but I was just watching it to see what happens. I don't know what type of video this is. I have a few questions that people have been messaging me on Instagram and have been asking me, and I said that I was going to do a video about it, like a Q&A. But I had some other stuff that I wanted to talk about as well, and I kind of feel like it's out of context and stepping apart from what others have been asking me. So I really don't know which one of the videos I want to do, or if I should just talk about everything in this video. But anyways, I'm gonna just chit chat with you guys and just, I don't know, let's see where it goes. Like, it's whatever, as long as I tell you what I need to tell you, right? I just came in from work, so I'm a bit tired as well, but I was also bored. I tried to sleep, that was not working out, even though I'm not feeling well. So I said, why not come and talk to my lovelies? So here I am. So, alrighty. So I'm gonna start with the questions that people have been asking me on Instagram. People have been messaging me on Instagram for me to talk about this stuff on YouTube. But initially it was not a lot of questions, because some of these stuff I already covered in one of my get to know me videos, or at least two of my videos down below. So I didn't want to repeat myself either. But there was like probably a few questions that were being asked that I've never spoke about on my channel before, so I decided that I was gonna cover those for you guys. Interesting. I don't know, some of them seems pretty personal, but to be honest, I'm somebody that I like to be open and honest. If I don't feel comfortable talking about something, I'll let you know. So if I'm talking about it, best believe I'm okay with talking about it, because nobody can force me to talk about what I don't want to talk about. So here we are. So where's my phone? So one of the messages that I got, one of the questions that someone asked me in my inbox on Instagram was, will your husband ever comes on your YouTube channel? No. Miss, don't ask me that question again, because no, I'm just kidding. I'm just joking, I'm just playing around. But yeah, no. My husband has a government job, and he has to be very careful with the stuff that he does. So no, you will never see him on my YouTube. And to be honest, either way, he's not a social media person. When I say he's not a social media person, not that he doesn't go on social media, he doesn't really do social media, he's not really active, he doesn't post stuff, he doesn't whatever, he just watches funny videos and laugh all day about them and stuff like that. He's not a social media person, like I am. And even me, I wasn't even this, I never even used to be this bubbly and peoply, but I'm trying to come out of my shell. So this is why I decided to do YouTube, which I've told you guys about that before, because this is like my fourth or third YouTube channel, yada yada yada. Y'all already know if you've been watching my videos. So yeah, E will not be on my channel, and I respect people's space and privacy and whatever, so of course I'm not going to force him to do that either. So yeah, cat's out the bag, E will never be on this channel. So that's covered. The next question is, will you be having any more kids? No, I have one child and that is it. Initially, I mean, I wanted to have 2 kids. My thing was always, the maximum is 2 kids for me. However, stuff happens and that's not possible anymore. This is something that I'm not over, but I'm 90% okay, if that makes sense. Like, long story short, I had a surgery a couple years ago. I had a left ovarian cyst and it burst inside of me, and I was having internal bleeding, so I had to do like an emergency surgery. And when they did that surgery, they messed up some other stuff, and ever since then, it's like I've gotten pregnant, but I was never able to keep the pregnancies, or it would just terminate itself basically. For a moment I was in denial, but I wasn't really in a rush or a hurry to have another kid either way, even though I've always said that I wanted to have 2 kids because I wanted to have a daughter and a son. So I never made it an issue, but I eventually had to come to terms with myself, like, okay, Jody, this is not going to happen. So I remember one day I went to the doctor and to my gynecologist, and he was like, all right, Jody, so this is what it is. When they did this surgery on you, it was not even necessary, because the cyst could have bled out by itself without them even having to do the surgery on you, is what I was told after the fact by more than one doctors. And like I told you guys, in the process of them doing that surgery, they messed up some other things, and my gynecologist was just like, even if you get pregnant, you'll never, the pregnancy is not gonna, it will always terminate itself based on what is happening inside of you, and it's just the plain and honest truth. Some people will probably get really emotional and sad about stuff like this, but for me, it's like, you know what, I still look at the bright side of things, which is I have a son, so I do have a child, and I'm alive and well, thank God. It could be worse, but it's not. So like I said, guys, it's not that I'm not bothered, but it's been a few years and I've gotten over that, like 90 or 95%, to be honest. I still see people's baby and get kind of mushy about it because I feel like little girls are so cute, but it is what it is. I mean, it is what it is. Like, you just never know what's going to happen throughout your life. You never know, because if anyone had told me this, I would be like, nah, that's a lie. And I mean, that was such a quick turn of events. Like, it was something I never expected. Like, woke up one day not feeling well, had to do a surgery, boom, here we are. You will never have any more kids. I'm sorry. It's not that I cannot get pregnant, it will just not go full term, basically, is what I was told. It is what it is. I mean, when I hear these stories, I feel for other people, especially if they don't have any kids. But me personally, I just, like I said, I just try to keep positive and look at the bright side of things. Like, I already have a kid, thank God for that. So hey, what doesn't kills you make you stronger. My son said he doesn't even want kids, so I don't know about the grandkids part, but we'll see what happens. I don't know. I'm just saying. But yeah, every other questions that you guys have been asking me on Instagram is already in other videos that I've posted, guys. Right? Someone asked me about new friends, like, have you met new friends since you've been overseas? Are you opening to meeting new people? Guys, I don't have a problem meeting new people, but honestly, I'm a very complicated person. I'm one of those persons that if you don't understand me, you're not going to be my friend for too long, because I'm very moody. And it's not even moody, I just have my days. Because, like, I think I've told you guys this before. I suffer from anxiety and depression, and I have my days. Like, I have my days. Like, if you don't understand me, the friendship is not going to last. So I'm open to meet new people, but sometimes I can't be bothered with the hassle, because it always turns out to be something else, because I'm always being misunderstood. So I don't know. I have a few friends, and for me, I love to keep a small circle because it makes me more comfortable. I've met new people since I've been here, and they're great people. I'm not gonna lie about that. They're great people, but it's the same thing. I have issues with them even right now, because they feel like they reach out to me more than I reach out to them. They're trying to build a friendship more than I'm trying to do so. But I feel like that's still because they don't understand me completely. But I'm still working on myself as it relates to that. But I have a lot of other things going on in my life as well. So people have to understand that we're grown, and grown people have a lot going on. So not to take shit personal. You know what I mean? I don't know. Maybe I should have written these stuff down, because what's all that noise? Maybe I should have written these stuff down, because now I feel like I'm missing stuff, or maybe I left some stuff out. I don't know. Let me look at my notes. I'm really not feeling well, so I'm gonna go to bed. But I just wanted to make this video in my cute little dress and my cute little hairstyle, and to let you guys know that we haven't posted in about a week or so, but I'm still here. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, or if you're just happening to pass by and saw this video, and pray for me while I pray for you, and have a great rest of your day, guys.